Good morning. How y'all doing? Yep, we're in quite a quandary here. What's going on, Mr. C?
Trying to get this, before we put the new tankless water heater, we gained about 6 or 8 inches, maybe about 10 total.
Woohoo!
Cleaned it all up, had to do some wiring, the outlet was inside of here for the 120.
Right.
For the electric side, we put it there. So I cleaned up all the piping. Don't need all the valves and stuff in there for the go around for the Freon.
And he'll be putting a board on top of all that piping and wiring and all that good stuff. And that's where my pantry actually will be.
Yeah, I got to hook it up. I have to hook up the gas fitting, but I got to go to Kalispell to get a fitting.
Yeah.
Because the hardware store here don't have them.
That's the biggest thing, living out where there's little to nothing.
Well, they have stuff. They just don't have that particular one. They got a lot of nice stuff, but they don't have no 90.
Yeah.
Flared 3/8 elbow. 90 degree.
Yeah. Well, we just wanted to give y'all an update of what's happening here. So there's all of our food and everything. We do have water. You got that fixed.
Yeah, the water's good through the pump, through the hot water tank there.
Got the microwave in. Had a little problem with the cooktop, but that's okay. That'll be fixed Wednesday.
Get the shelving's down. Down there. All the drawers in.
Yep, we got that ready for the cabinet.
Just takes quite a bit. It just takes effort to.
It does.
They don't have a part when you getting all the different. You just don't know when you're doing remodel, especially in an RV. All the fittings and stuff you need to have. I had to save, and luckily the old system I was able to reuse the PEX with the soft screw-ons in an RV. They don't have it in the house.
Right.
And the shark bites, which are common to PEX and RVs, they had that. So we made some progress. It just takes 3 or 4 trips to get the pieces and parts, and out of that you're gonna get the wrong part, so you gotta take something back. Well, picked up the wrong,
and it's 20 miles away, so you know.
Or round trip is 24 miles.
Yeah,
so it's about 24 miles round trip.
Yeah.
Because you got to go north of town. It's probably further. It's probably a 30-mile round trip.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's all good. That's what you do.
That's it.
You try to make your trips count.
Oh.
That's the way it is.
We're trying to get her done, y'all. We're trying.
Well, this instead of being the way it was, if you look at the old, you can put an old picture before and after. All this piping and stuff was out here, and there's a whole cabinet you can use there. So we'll be able to use that whole cabinet all the way across and over a little bit behind this board.
I like it. I like it a lot.
So we gained about 6 to 8 inches of space.
Exactly.
Just by a better layout.
Woohoo!
Not no 3-foot long coiled up piece of gas line.
We have stuff everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Everywhere.
The way it is when you're remodeling. That's the way it is.
We did have our yogurt and granola this morning. Woohoo! But look at our bed. Got the new washing machine here. Our cleaning products. But we got the lamps and murals and all kinds of stuff on the bed. So we got a piece of wood right there for
Fixing to take that outside.
For the shelf.
Fixing to put the outlet in down there.
Oh yeah.
That's where the old vacuum line hooked up.
Yeah. The vacuum went right there, and he's putting an outlet there, which I think will be good.
We don't need it.
Right. So, and we got all of our monitors up there labeled and good to go. And we've got the water heater monitor right there.
That's the program. You can turn it up if you want to turn it up for a hotter shower for whatever reason.
That's pretty cool.
And leave it turned down, and it won't take as long to heat the water. It's very efficient.
Exactly.
And the gas doesn't stay on. It only comes on when you turn it up or move it. The instant you cut on water and it senses it needs to be heated, that's when it starts heating it up.
And we even got ourselves a weather station. Because, you know, when you're in an RV, you have to watch out for the weather.
Oh, yeah. We always preach that. So I just... And in the area here, there's a forest fire. And what's it called? Elmo? Or
Elmo.
Elmo. Which is by the... As a crow flies... As a crow flies. As a crow flies... That's a blooper. It's probably 20, 30, 40 miles from here.
Right.
To our southwest. So we're getting smoke from that. But they kind of let it burn itself out. It kind of burned around where there's a reservoir there. Mostly grasslands and some minor small forest. But they didn't. They seem to think it, and it's pretty much gone out. It's still
Thank
smoldering.
goodness.
But it's
A little bit of smoke in the air, but not as bad as it was.
It's not moving into residential or something like that.
Right.
So they put their resources elsewhere, which makes sense. Let it burn itself till it can't burn no more.
That's
Saving
it.
their resources.
Yeah.
All right, that's about all I
Okay,
got. We're just
well-
getting her done.
Yep.
Solar's done, except for a couple little minor things.
Woohoo!
Solar's done, and it's just doing the job.
Yep.
I'm
Awesome.
imagine we were down to 80% last night. Running all
In
the
here?
things.
Yeah.
80% power left in the batteries.
Oh, well, that's good.
Because they peaked yesterday about 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
But it was cloudy with the smoke
Right.
above us. So we're just kind of watching that. If we do have to break camp, then that's what we'll do.
Yeah.
We'll start. It'll take us a day or two.
Well, if you're running from a fire, you got to get it done quick.
But we were watching ahead of that. So
Yeah.
the winds are shifting, which is supposed to cool off here. We had it's like 88, 90 degrees here, but the air's dry, so it's not super hot. And we have been having breezes.
Thank
So it's
goodness.
not too bad.
It's
So
supposed to get up to 93 today.
this will be our last hot day and we're gonna have another week of cool weather.
Yeah.
In the low to mid 80s. That's perfect.
Yeah. We love Montana weather.
Yes.
Love it.
Because last night it cooled down after 8 o'clock. It cooled right down.
Well, I'm going outside. He's about to make some noise.
Yeah, and I can't make no noise because I'm in my pinky cord.
Okay, y'all. So,
Shut Alexa off.
Alexa, stop. So here's the workbench and everything. All the tools laid out. And look, y'all. The girls' she shed became the man cave. Yes. So we've got stuff in here that has to be done also. We've got new steps that are going in. We've got our dehumidifier. Haven't had to have that. He's got all kinds of parts right here that have to be done. We have an additional office chair. That'll be his. And we have a ceiling fan in here. And we get our smoker this week, so we went ahead and got some pellets yesterday. So, yeah, it's coming along. We finally got our new mats. We've been looking for these things for almost a year now. So we finally got those. But it's gorgeous here. Gorgeous. I love all the wildflowers. So awesome. So awesome. And thank you to our friends Linda and Carlos for letting us park on their property to work on the fifth wheel. All right, y'all. We're going to put out some videos. There is a whole video on the installation of the water heater and the solar and everything else that we're working on. So, stay tuned. We got more to come.